Throughout history, guns have been used for hunting, protection, and warfare. The use of weapons dates back centuries ago, and the manufacturing of firearms is an art that has been perfected over the years. They have also been used to intimidate, oppress, and control, but they can also be just plain cool. Whether you're a fan of the classics or looking for the latest and greatest, there's a gun out there that's sure to catch your eye. We've got something for everyone, from sleek and deadly pistols to massive sniper rifles. So without further ado, let's start with this cool shotgun. Number 10. FABARM STF-12. If you're looking for a great all-around shotgun or a specific purpose firearm, the FABARM STF-12 should definitely be at the top of your list. The FABARM STF-12 is an advanced modular tactical shotgun that is made in Italy. The country is known for producing some of the best shotguns in the world, and the STF-12 is no exception. The shotgun is designed to be versatile and offers a wide range of features that make it perfect for home defense, law enforcement, and military use at a price of $1,395. It features a 3-position, adjustable front swivel plate and a door breacher type muzzle brake. The STF-12 comes with a 12-gauge shotgun shell as a magazine, and up to 30 rounds of BB can be loaded. The shotgun is equipped with a Picatinny rail to mount optics and other accessories. Number 9. DroneGun MkIII. On the screen, you are watching the DroneGun MkIII. And this one is perfect if you're a concerned parent who doesn't want your kids being spied on, or you're a government official who wants to defend against a terrorist attack. The beauty of the DroneGun is that it requires minimal technical training to operate, making it the perfect tool for anyone who wants to take down a wide range of drones. The gun emits a directional RF signal that seizes control of the drone, disables video transmission, and forces it to land or return to its operators. The defensive weapon costs around $12,000 a piece. That's a lot of money, but trust us, it gives you the upper hand in any situation. Number 8. Heckler & Koch M5K. During the late 1970s, Heckler & Koch developed the MkIII, or the briefcase gun, a submachine gun designed to operate with just one hand. It was intended for personal protection and close-quarters combat. The M5K is a small, lightweight weapon that is easily concealable, making it ideal for personal defense and high official protection. It is capable of firing semi-automatically and fully automatically, and can be fitted with a suppressor for covert operations. Sometimes the price of it changes, but that doesn't mean that one price is better than another. You might even get a full auto gun, $30,000. Number 7. Volquartsen Black Mamba. Volquartsen is feeling pretty darn proud of their Black Mamba these days. The success of this gun has been nothing short of amazing. It has quickly become one of the most popular guns on the market and is currently. So, what makes the Black Mamba so unique? For starters, it's available in an easy takedown configuration. This makes it ideal for being used by shooters of all skill levels, from shooting cans to national tournaments. It comes in 4.5-inch and 6-inch barrel length options. It's also lightweight and features an integral Picatinny rail. Plus, the muzzle is threaded so that you can add a suppressor or other device. This can cost you around $1,400 to $1,800. Number 6. LodeStar Works LS9. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, state-of-the-art, high-tech 9mm pistol, look no further than the LodeStar Works LS9. This smart gun is a personalized weapon that can only be fired by verified users, making it a great choice for those who want to ensure the safety of their loved ones. The LS9 features a fingerprint reader, pin pad, and mobile app for added security. This equips the gun with a safety feature that prevents it from being fired by unauthorized users. The gun that is designed for accuracy and minimum recoil can cost you around $2,000. It also has a 17-round magazine capacity. making it a great choice for self-defense. Number 5. Korth Super Sport. Meet Korth, the company that makes the Korth Super Sport. Okay, we will admit we are not huge fans of revolvers, but this one has changed our minds. The company has been making guns for over 50 years. This gun is a beauty. It has a 6-inch barrel, and the 5-way adjustable trigger is a work of art. The price tag on this bad boy is a cool $5,000, but it is worth every penny. The adjustable hammer spring makes this gun a dream to shoot. It is the perfect gun for those who want the best of the best. Number 4. Uzi SMG. Okay, on the screen, you see one of the most iconic firearms in the world. It's been featured in countless movies and video games. Assuming you're not intimately familiar with the Uzi SMG, let us briefly introduce you. The Uzi SMG is a submachine gun developed in the 1950s by a company called Israel Military Industries. The gun was designed for use by the Israeli military and police forces. Still, it has since been adopted by militaries and law enforcement agencies all over the world. The Uzi SMG is based on the legendary Uzi design and shoots like a rifle. But what makes the Uzi SMG so unique is its ease of use, reliability, and accuracy. The Uzi SMG also has 3 safety mechanisms, which makes it one of the safest weapons on the market. And because it's so lightweight and compact, you can easily conceal it on your body. Moreover, Uzi is also a popular choice for VIP protection due to its automatic and semi-automatic operation modes and adjustable shoulder stock. This can cost you around $1,109. Number 3. Gauss Gun Cobra. It's certainly not a toy. The Gauss gun, also known as a coil gun, is a type of electromagnetic projectile accelerator. It uses magnetic fields to accelerate a projectile to high velocities. Gauss guns are not toys. They are potent weapons that can be used for various purposes, including defense, hunting, and target practice. Arc Flash Labs is a company that produces Gauss guns. Their flagship product is the Cobra, a handheld Gauss gun that fires over 100 rounds before recharging. The Cobra is a futuristic weapon that is becoming increasingly popular among gun enthusiasts and can cost them $3,000 to $4,000. Firing 4.6 gram steel projectiles at 45 meters per second, the Cobra is a powerful weapon that is sure to impress. Number 2. Ruger PC Carbine. Chances are high that you're already familiar with the Ruger. It's been a hugely popular .22 LR rifle since it was introduced in 1964, and for a good reason. It's accurate, reliable, and fun to shoot. The Ruger PC Carbine is a modernized version of the 10-22 designed to be used as a pistol caliber carbine. It retains all the features that have made the 10-22 so popular while adding a few features that make it even more versatile and user-friendly. This machine can cost you around $640 to $720. The Ruger PC Carbine is a fantastic weapon for anyone who wants the power of a rifle in a smaller, more maneuverable package. The PC Carbine also has a threaded barrel, making it perfect for attaching a suppressor. Additionally, the mag release is reversible, making it ambidextrous, which means left-handed or right-handed shooters can use it. The PC Carbine also has a threaded barrel to be fitted with a muzzle brake or suppressor. The PC Carbine is more accurate than a pistol, so it is an excellent choice for shooters of all skill levels. Number 1. M2A1 Machine Gun. The M2A1 is an enhanced version of the M2.50 caliber machine gun. It features increased performance, new features, and design improvements, and is less detectable in darkness. The M2A1 is currently in production by General Dynamics. The M2A1 caliber machine gun is equipped with a flash hider, which reduces the muzzle flash. This machine gun is also equipped with a fixed headspace configuration, which reduces the chance of jams. The M2A1 caliber machine gun enhancements include a timing configuration and a redesigned receiver. These improvements make the M2A1 more reliable and easier to maintain. This machine gun can cost around $14,000. That's it. Which one did really shake things up? Is it Gauss gun Cobra? We would love to know in the comments, and don't be lazy to subscribe to us for more past, present, and future tech.